Thank you.
We got Isaac.
That was kind of fun. That was good, huh? Yeah. Whoa. Get this so it doesn't fall over.
So, but the interesting thing is like Ricardo mounted on set.
Fortunately, the angle here is pretty.
One in the middle. That's forward. Way, just wide. I'm gonna have you walk out in front of it. Look at the show. Although it's derived
And everything. Okay, where you want Isaac?
we're gonna do dirty. Have your leg there in the front. It's more exciting.
Oh, I love this.
And we're gonna do it. You'll find the rope. I saw him there like Suzanne. Let's start doing it. Well, that's him inside the thing.
Yeah, almost time to pack up.
So, you take a look at the camera? Good. What's the AM? People are like much Edward. Oh my gosh.
Watch out for the battery.
So, what was the most exciting part of it? So, careful behind you. In the world of. I'm gonna have you do a and then bring to your left a little bit. To your left. Yeah. Right there and smile. Perfect. Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Do you have any questions? No? We're gonna do a high five. Okay. Are you? Yeah. Let's do it again. Ready? Yeah. We're gonna do a high five. Ready? High five. Yeah.